Okay, this is what we got down the bottom from the veggie patch. Very overgrown, so we don't know where to start with this. We've got an olive tree entangled in here, which we're going to try and find. And all these trees have fallen, so as you can see, it's going to be a major job. But being Aussies, where there's a will, there's a way. I don't see that we're going to get it totally clean, so I think it might just be a maintenance and try and work out what we're going to do. Ooh, happy New Year to everyone and good afternoon. Another day of unsupervised here. What we're doing is literally, we found that we're trying to clean up this land, and I'll spin that around for you in a second, and I'll show you just how dense it is. So as you can see, it is an absolute schmozzle. So literally, basically what we've got to do is we've got to create a level like this of rockery all the way down to the bottom, so then we can clear out those trees further down the bottom there. But apart from that, it's getting there slowly. So first level here is olives are going to be about 5 meters apart. So we've got one olive tree in today. Hopefully tomorrow we've got that's a dead tree there, so that's coming down. We can't do anything about those two big trees, but we can try and cut them or trim them up because they are actually figs. So that's the first level done, and we've just extended the garden bed. Now it's looking like they've just bringing another load in, and we've just got to do the motor zapper, and that's complete. So it is now approximately about 6-7 meters long now by about 3 meters wide. And what we're doing is just reusing stuff that we've got lying around, old timbers and grapevine things, just to make things nice and tidy for this time. But I'm really wrapped with that, because that was full of, as you can see, the rubbish is still there, of stuff that they've left behind, which is actually heartbreaking, because, like, you know, you leave it for someone else. It's taken a whole day for Xavier and I to clean up. We even got Mr. T in to give us a hand in the morning because of some big rocks. Hopefully tomorrow, I'm going to order tonight the motor zapper so we can turn it right over. But apart from that, she's getting there bit by bit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching. As you can see with the end of the chicken shed is from next door. I know I said the Happy New Year and everything, but I just sort of throw this one in. That's where we're going to start the next level across. So that means all that rubble down here, which you can see, is going to be all reused. We do have some fiberglass roofing over there. That's got to go out. So from where the end of that shed is, across is the next level. And then we'll be able to get rid of all the weeds, tidy it all up, probably put one olive on the left hand side where my finger is, one on in the middle, and one on the end there, so that's 3, which gives us 4. And then further down to the next level, 5, another 3, 8. I'm thinking we can probably get 11 olives in here, which is pretty good. Probably won't get any fruit for about 2-3 years, but it's better than what we've had. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. We're back. Stay tuned for more trouble. And don't forget, Xavier and I are definitely unsupervised because the boss isn't here, and look for more trouble. I know it does look like a lot of work, guys, but you'll see in about 2-3 days it's going to look fantastic. Thank you for watching.